how to install the camera lens protector for the iPhone 17 or the 17 Pro. Now this lens here I have is an older lens for the iPhone 16 Pro, and I still can apply it on the iPhone 17 Pro. If you want the proper iPhone 17 Pro, you can order it here, where it will cover the whole camera compartment here. This is the one that you want to get. You can get it from Amazon or eBay. Here, I'm going to install it using this one right here. So before we start, just give your phone a good clean, especially the camera lens around here. So clean out all the dust. Once all the dust has been removed, we can now remove the camera lens. So here we'll just remove it. And then we just gonna place it on top right here. So again, this is for the iPhone 16 Pro, but I can reuse it for the iPhone 17 Pro. And then just push it down. And that's it. We have now a cover protections for the iPhone 17 Pro. So if you are waiting for the arrival of a new camera lens and you have a spare one, you can reuse this one. It works fine. And yeah, it actually do a good job covering the camera lens. If you just want to protect the camera lens and you don't mind about protecting the flashlight or the sensor, you can actually just leave this one on. And this is what it looks like after you have finished installing it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.